Now we're going to show you how to do simple debugging in idle. Okay. So if we're in the Python shell, if this is the focus screen, we will have the option on the menu bar to turn on debugger, which will pop up a window showing some information. Let's give it more space. And then we can run this code now using F5. As you can see, we're seeing the information about this code. This very first statement that we're going to execute is on line 2, defining square to be that function. If we do a single step over it, we see that square is now a function at a particular location. That means the definition worked. And we can keep going. Now I equal 1, that assignment is done. Value I is going to be 1 here. Oh, there's more information there. So let's show that. We can keep on going, and we see that this is single stepping. Not a while, not a print. Here we go. 2 squared equals 4. So you can also step into a function. This is the difference between step and over, which I forgot to mention in the terminal. Step over is the command N, and step into is the command S. So now, for example, we are in this statement. If we want to treat it as a statement and execute over the entire statement, we will do over. But if you want to go into or check what's happening in the function execution of square, you would press step, and that will bring you into the function. In our case, it's just one statement, so it's very easy. But if you want to get out and return to the previous level, you would press out, and now we're here. And one more statement, one more execution step, I becomes 4. You can also set breakpoint and run. The way you do that would be control, pressing your control and click. So this menu item would come out, and you can say set breakpoint. So now this statement is a breakpoint. And then we can just type go. You see it will go through multiple statements until we reach this particular statement, which allows us more control. We can say, let's go over that and see what happens. I equal 5. Let's do go again. This time the execution will go to the while loop, do the print, and come back to this again. So when I press go, another number 25 would be printed over there, and we'll be stopping at here where I is about to be incremented. So that's indeed what happened, and this is, you can also use the same control click to clear the breakpoint and continue execution. This time it will just execute all the way because there is no breakpoint.